Welcome to Papier and Carton Fabrique Varel, where we transform recycled paper into high-quality packaging products for customers around the world. Our production journey begins with raw materials, recycled paper. Every bale of paper is meticulously inspected and sorted before being fed into pulpers. Here, the recycled paper is dissolved in water and mixed to create a uniform pulp. During this process, impurities such as wires and plastics are removed using centrifugal force and then recycled. The pulp is then refined through multiple sophisticated steps to ensure its quality. Long and short fibers are separated to enhance the strength and properties of the final product. For premium-grade paper, the pulp undergoes a de-inking process where printing ink is extracted using foam and recycled for further use. Once the pulp meets the required standards, it is fed into large paper machines. On a massive wire mesh, the pulp and water are evenly distributed. Excess water is drained away, leaving behind a thin layer of paper. This layer is then pressed with a force of 500 tons to remove additional water, significantly reducing the energy needed for the drying phase. The drying phase is a critical step in the production process. The paper travels through a series of drying cylinders, heated by steam generated in our combined heat and power plant. The steam not only dries the paper, but is also reused to maintain optimal temperature throughout the facility, ensuring exceptional energy efficiency. Finally, the paper is coated with a thin layer of starch to enhance its durability and is rolled into large reels known as tambours. Each tambour can weigh up to 40 tons and is later cut or processed further based on customer requirements. In addition to paper, we also produce multi-layer cardboard. This process begins by pressing multiple thin layers of paper together to achieve the desired thickness. For premium products, the cardboard surface is coated with a layer of white fibers and a pigment coating, delivering superior print quality. The entire process is closely monitored and inspected to ensure the highest quality standards. Once production is complete, the products are packaged and prepared for delivery. The reels of paper and cardboard are automatically cut and formatted before being stored in our extensive warehouses, ready to serve customers in over 60 countries. Welcome to Aktukat, where technology, quality, and sustainability converge. Established in 2011 in Pamukova, Sakarya, Turkey, Aktukat proudly stands as one of the leading paper manufacturers, providing essential products such as toilet paper, tissues, and napkins to millions of households worldwide. Our mission is to continuously innovate to deliver the highest value to our customers and contribute to a greener, cleaner future. With humble beginnings, we quickly grew and achieved remarkable milestones. Today, Aktukat operates a state-of-the-art facility with an annual paper production capacity of 210,000 tons and a product conversion capacity of 160,000 tons. More than just a manufacturer, we set new standards for the paper industry. In 2021, utilizing one of the 3 advanced paper machines, we set a world record with an annual output of 75,276 tons of paper, a testament to our capabilities and relentless innovation. We understand that sustainable development is not just a goal, but also a responsibility. Aktukat leads the way by employing the most advanced technologies such as trigeneration, redry, and visconip to optimize our production processes. Thanks to these solutions, we not only enhance efficiency, but also significantly reduce CO2 emissions and energy consumption, contributing to environmental preservation. Additionally, we use resources intelligently, ensuring that each product delivers maximum value without compromising the health of our planet. Product quality is Aktukat's top priority. We offer a wide range of toilet paper, tissue, and napkin products under the Baleno brand, categorized into 4 segments: deluxe, standard, economy, and professional, to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Additionally, we are a trusted partner for many major brands, providing high-quality private label products. Every roll of paper and every tissue is crafted with meticulous care and dedication, ensuring maximum satisfaction for our consumers. Alongside our growth, Aktukat remains committed to innovation and pushing boundaries. Our achievements are not merely reflected in numbers or records, but in the trust of our customers and recognition from the industry. With a forward-thinking vision, we continue to invest in technology, people, and the environment to deliver more sustainable value for future generations. The main materials for paper production are virgin pulp from wood or recycled paper. For recycled paper, the raw materials are carefully processed to remove ink and impurities, ensuring clean, high quality, and consistent pulp. Next, the pulp is finely ground to enhance its softness and purity. During this stage, additives such as whitening agents or softening agents may be added to improve the quality of the paper. The ground pulp is then mixed with water, achieving a ratio of approximately 1% paper fibers to 99% water. This mixing process ensures uniformity, preparing the pulp for the paper forming stage. Next, the pulp slurry is fed into a paper machine. On the wire mesh surface, water drains out, leaving behind a thin layer of paper. Rollers and vacuum devices are used to remove the remaining water from the paper. The wet sheet of paper is transferred through a drying system, where high temperatures reduce its moisture content. This stage not only dries the paper, but also enhances its softness and durability. The paper is rolled into large rolls, known as jumbo rolls. These are then cut into smaller sizes, suitable for products such as toilet paper, tissue paper, or paper towels. Finally, the products are automatically packaged to ensure safety and cleanliness before reaching consumers. Each product is thoroughly inspected to meet quality standards.